We're about to go get microneedling. I have the numbing cream on my face. Hi, I'm Aisha, so flossy. Pardon this mark on my head. Just took my headband off. I just left the gym not too long ago. We're about to go get microneedling. I have like some discoloration. I had like a really rough period. I'm not even gonna hold you. My last period was diabolical, apparently, like hormonally to my skin. So I just feel like it's time for some microneedling. Yeah, let's go get it.
She's so pretty.
Thank you. I told her, I was like, it was a great relaxing experience.
Sometimes you gotta throw in like one of the nice services in the mix amongst the needles and the...
Absolutely. That's really like my go-to, the Elan signature. My last period like broke me out so bad. I don't know. I haven't like experienced that in years, you know?
It's just hard when it's like seemingly no rhyme or reason. Hormones are just so unpredictable.
Yeah. Just the numbing.
It always feels so weird.
Can you do the lips?
I'd get like right on that lip line.
Okay.
Yeah. But I don't go
On the
over
lips.
the lip. Just 'cause it's so vascular. I think it would just
Bleed out.
yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, do you want water or anything?
Maybe some sparkling.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And do you want me to sit you up a little so you can
Sure.
drink it, or?
Yeah, that'd be great. Okay, so just sitting here. We're gonna wait for like 15 minutes. I have the numbing cream on my face because she's about to like go in with a whole bunch of needles. Some good sparkling water. This is her little slope. Just chilling and relaxing. Probably about to get on TikTok. I've had microneedling before. The first time that I had it done, I would say it was probably like 2021, maybe like around that time, and it left my face like really red. But the last time that I got it done, I feel like their technology is a little bit different, or I don't know, it just wasn't that bad, or maybe my skin got used to it. I'm starting to feel the numbing effects for sure, especially like around my mouth. I can't wait to like go home and take a shower. A glute day today. It's pretty nice. I like it when I can like work out fast. Normally I work out faster when I have like an errand or something to run. I'm getting my eyelashes done on Monday. It's so hard to get on her books, like, oh my goodness. My face is pretty numbed up. Yeah, I can't feel anything. I don't think this is gonna hurt that bad, especially with the numbing cream working like this. Can't feel my face, which is great.
Ready?
Yep. That's not bad.
Yeah, when you're really numb, it's not good. That makes you want to sneeze.
So we're creating collagen, right? By puncturing and we're like manufacturing scarring, essentially, right?
So basically, like the visual way, like is aerating a garden.
Okay.
So we're like creating these micro channels in the skin with these needles, and then it's basically triggering your skin to heal itself, which is what triggers your own collagen stimulation.
Nice.
Yeah. So it's like a controlled injury almost.
Okay. Controlled injury. I like that. This is real numb. That's good.
Yeah.
It only really hurts like around like where your bones are.
Yeah. And the hairline, and then obviously that's the bony part too.
Yeah.
And I think sometimes around the mouth, just because there's more nerve endings there, but
yeah.
That's also weirdly like where you feel when you pick in the most, you know?
Yeah.
Or the first place it can the skin.
Yeah. I'm only tearing up because of the light, and I'm showing you guys. I don't want y'all to get like, it's really not that bad. I honestly can't believe that I do this. I think it just goes to show like how lucky vain I am because I don't like needles like at all. Like I don't have any tattoos. Like,
oh really?
Yeah, I always like act crazy like in the doctor's office. Well, not so much anymore, but like I used to as a kid. And like I can't like look when I get like my blood drawn. But this, oh yeah.
Like, I can muster up the courage if it means something good for my skin.
Yeah.
It's really one of my favorite things. Like I just think it's the best bang for your buck.
Mm-hmm.
So great for all skin types.
Yeah. Kind of where a lot of my like discoloration is.
Yeah, I'm going to come back and do some stamping on these deeper scars.
Okay.
With scars, I always kind of say it's like standing a rock wall.
Yeah.
So you can kind of get some softening of them.
Okay.
But you'll still have some divots that are, you know, just where the deeper parts are, but it'll make it look a lot smoother. Yeah. I had really bad acne scarring. That this really took care of.
Yeah.
For the most part. And you can see it if you get really close. I never do microneedling without doing this peel with it.
Really?
Because it gets into the skin deeper because of those little micro channels.
Okay.
And it weirdly like calms the skin down.
Really?
It's really interesting.
Okay.
So I really like the combo of this.
Perfect. This is perfect today. Exactly what I needed. Exactly what I came for. Little reset.
Yes.
Because I think I just also went too long without a facial.
Yeah.
And it just messed me up. We're doing an alpha beta peel now. Good old alpha beta peel. My skin loves them, honestly.
Yeah. They're so predictable. They're like,
does what it says.
Yeah. So you know, for the rest of today, just to use the gel I give you, and then tomorrow you can do like regular moisturizer, even makeup if you want, but nothing active, obviously, for a few days.
Okay. Forehead's pretty on fire.
Is it? Go ahead and neutralize.
Okay.
That can sometimes crank it up a notch at the first meet, but then it'll calm down.
That's surprisingly not bad at all.
Yeah, being numb kind of helps because, you know.
I bet, yeah.
Any hot spots?
A little bit like around here, yeah.
That help?
Okay.
Anywhere else? No? I do have the light right here. Do you want to do a few minutes of the light?
Sure.
Okay, I think it'll help.
Okay.
Just calm things down and... right, you made it.
Thank you so much. See, it's not that bad at all. It looked like nothing even happened to me. My face is numb. If you get tattoos, you can definitely handle it. But yeah, I'm about to go home, take a shower. Need to do some things. I go to work later on this evening, so I'll see y'all in the next video. Let me know if you get microneedling. Let me know if you have any other questions. Like, comment, subscribe, please. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.
She's a celebrity.
Stop.
Everybody loves Asia.